Hi, I'm Kyle with Wallace Industries, here showing off some of the equipment in the shop. Right here we have the Haas CNC machining center. It's a subtractive machining center. It's capable of working in various types of metals. You got aluminum alloys, steels and steel alloys, brass and copper. As well, it's capable of working in plastics. Inside the machine right now we have a piece of aluminum that is partway through its manufacturing process. Over on the bench here we have some examples of some work that's been done in the Haas Machining Center. Some of these are fixtures for other parts, while these are finished pieces here. The ones that are black have been treated to an anodizing process to give them color protection. Some of these pieces have been treated to a laser engraving process, which is also done in-house here. So if you're looking for CNC machine parts, head over to the contact page and request a quote.